Yo guys, I'm on my 5th project of my 20 projects. Guess who these guys are? These are the main founders of Khadi manufactured flags in our country. The name of the company is quite tricky. It's Karnataka Khadi Gramudyoga Sayukta Sangha. I'm in Hubli Bangeri of Karnataka. So let me show you how the manufacturing works. So let's get in.
I request all the viewers to watch this video with love towards motherland.
I'm gonna get in for safety first because we have to maintain that discipline and decency inside. So let's get in.
I'm getting inside the flag company. Every year they manufacture 50,000 national flags.
So let me tell you each part of this, how this machine works, how the staff work and what all exactly they do. I'll be showing you the foldings, how it is done, the cuttings, how it is done. What about the other part which is not useful? So let me explain.
The flag rope support and the cuttings. In this part, they make sure the cutting is done properly so that the flag should have a proper support behind it. The cloth that you see now is the entire support for the tricolor flag. These are the cutting machines with which they make sure the cutting is proper and accurate. Once the cutting is over, they send it to the further section for the tricolor to stitch it together. Moving on to the next part, Ashoka Chakra coloring section. In this part, they make sure the printing is done properly. Both the side they make use of a printing screen. Once the printing has been done, they go for the next flag. In this section, they make sure the coloring of Ashoka Chakra is done well. They also make sure the quality of the color and the thickness of the color is accurate.
All the staff in this company are women, and that's how I feel proud that we are moving into a woman empowerment era.
Once the printing is done, they make sure the cloth has been dried, and after that they put it into a 150 degrees Celsius heating machine to keep up the print quality.
Yo guys, so these are the flag sizes that we have here. There are almost 9 different sizes that they manufacture here. And I'll show you how they're going to stitch it and what all the procedures are there. So let me explain each part of it. Let's go.
In this section, they stitch all the tricolors together. They make sure the quality and the stitching lines are straight and accurate. They're experienced so much that their hands are used to this work every day. Moving on to the next part, we got the Cecil roping knitting, where they knit the entire rope which is inside the flag with a wooden piece of teak wood. They both are tied together to keep the stiffness of the flag. You can see the quality of the rope, how stiff and tight it is. So they also had those orders from CRPF to make their table flags.
We're going to use something called a Cecil rope, and this is made up of teak wood. So every single thing, there is compulsory rule that they have to use same quality material, and this is how the entire flag looks like. That's the beauty of Indian flag. Noise of the machine, so that is how the ironing has been done. I'm going to show you how it actually works.
Moving to the next section, that is ironing. In this ironing section, they make sure that the green part is outside so that the white part of the flag should not be damaged. So my brother is helping the team to fold the flag. And that's the beauty of Indian national flag.
So these are the flag's final output. Right now I'm in the godown of the entire factory outlet. So you can see there are so many different types of flags everywhere here. So this is 4x6 entire flag is ready. The folding has been done, the ironing has been done. So here there are certain rules that they make sure the entire green part is outside. As in arm poses we see the middle white part being outside, but here after folding we make sure this green part is outside and saffron will be on the top. So there are my brothers behind us holding this flag. Make sure it's not going to touch down. So this is my brothers behind it. Yeah.
These flags manufactured inside this company, and the flag that you see at the Red Fort and at your school are from this place. So I feel proud being a part of the state and being a part of this nation. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, Inqilab Zindabad, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. If you like my videos, do subscribe right now so I can stay in touch with you and can show you the next 20 projects that I have.